Okay, so we will talk about topic 12, which is Form 4, Chapter 6, Heating Salt and Color of Salt. So for the iron 2 salt, most of the salt is white color. Iron 2 carbonate, iron 2 chloride, sulfate, nitrate, hydroxide, and oxide is all green color. Okay, all the iron 3 salt, whether it's iron 3 carbonate or iron 3 chloride, iron 3 sulfate, nitrate, hydroxide, and oxide will be all brown color. Okay, then after that, for copper a bit special. Most of them is blue color, except copper oxide is black color. And then copper 2 carbonate is green color, and copper 2 chloride is green color also. Okay. Then for the special salt, PBO. PBO is brown when hot, yellow when cold. So how you to remember? It's very simple. You remember peanut, the nasi lemak peanut is brown color skin outside, and you look at the skin inside is yellow color. Then over there, zinc will be the yellow color outside, then white color inside. Okay, so these two is a special one. Exam keep coming out in exam. Then for PbCl2 and PbI2 is white color and yellow color. The special thing is this salt, right? They are not soluble in cold water. And then when in hot water, you heat the water, it will dissolve. Means let's say if this is PbCl2, it will be a white color precipitate here. Then for PbI2, it will be a yellow color precipitate here. So when it's still cold, it will able to dissolve. When you heat the water, become hot water, it will dissolve. Then after that, when cool down already, the salt will reappear back because these two salts soluble in hot water, not soluble in cold water. Then for heating salt, normally SPM, their flavor question is they're going to come out carbonate and nitrate salt. It's very simple. That when you heat all the carbonate here, right, it all will come out oxide, 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 oxide. Then for CO3 will come out CO2 gas. So, and how to test carbon dioxide gas is bubble through the lime water will turn cloudy. So this is a very common diagram coming out in exam. Then for the nitrate salt, right, when you heat, all will become oxide. Then also NO3 will come out NO2 plus O2. So the NO2 is very special because it's a brown color gas. And then it will turn blue litmus paper red, and it will give you pungent smell gas. Oxygen gas, you lower down a glowing orange splinter, it will be reacted. Okay, then after that, all this special case is for the objective purpose. So you can roughly go through. For sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, heat really nothing happen. Sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate, if you heat, will come out oxide. So NO3 will become NO2. Or chloride, when you heat, do not decompose. Sulfate ore will not decompose except this one. ZnSO4, CuSO4, FeSO4, you heat, you become oxide plus SO3. So we look at the actual question. First thing, for this question, right, they will tell you that when heated, right, the residue R is yellow when hot, white when cold. Based on yellow and white, you link about banana. That is your zinc oxide. So we know this is zinc oxide. Okay. Then after heat, right, we have two gas. One is brown color gas A, and we have a colorless gas that rekindle cooling with winter. So this is your oxygen. This is your NO2. So NO2 and O2. So we know the original salt is zinc nitrate. Okay, then we go for the second one. Second one, residue S will be brown when hot, yellow when cold. So based on this, we'll know brown and yellow one is your peanut, PBO. So it means this is your PBO, plus the gas that turn lime water cloudy, this is CO2. So PBO and CO2 means it actually come from PbCO3. So okay, write the answer. P is zinc nitrate. Then Q will be PbCO3, lead to carbonate. Then R will be ZnO, zinc oxide. Then S will be PbO, lead to oxide. Then the gas A will be nitrogen dioxide because brown color gas. Then after that, oxygen gas is O2. Then gas C is carbon dioxide gas. And then this is the chemical equation. So this, you need to balance it. Zinc nitrate. If you heat, it becomes zinc oxide plus NO2 plus O2. So this equation, when you balance, you are stuck at the middle because see, this is Zn, Zn is balanced. Then N, you got 2, you put 2 here. Then when you check oxygen, 6 times 3 times 2 is 6. Here got 1, here 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2, total is 7. 6 and 7 is not balanced. And you stuck there. So whenever you start, you find the biggest one times 2. Then rebalance the whole thing one more time. That 2Zn, 2Zn, okay, 2Zn, 2Zn, N times 2 become 4. So check the oxygen, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So you get 2 oxygen, here got 8 oxygen, here is 2 oxygen, total also 12. So it's balancing, okay? Now, another type of question that coming up in the acid potential is they're going to ask you to compare and contrast. That they're going to heat 2 chemical. One is zinc nitrate. Another one is PB carbonate. So very simple. Both, if you heat, will become oxide. Okay. Plus, the NO3 will come out 2 gas, NO2, NO2. Then CO3 will come out CO2. So you can start to explain. First, brown color gas release because NO2 is brown color gas. Then color gas release is your oxygen. Then how do you test the NO2? You bring a moist blue luminous paper to the mouth of the test tube. The brown gas will turn the blue luminous paper red color. This is to test the NO2 gas. Then to test oxygen gas, you just lower down a growing luminous splinter. Then you rekindle the oxygen gas will support combustion. You rekindle the growing luminous splinter. Then for carbon dioxide gas, you can channel the gas through lime water. Lime water will turn cloudy. Then the gas release is NO2 and O2, this is carbon dioxide gas. Then for the ZNO is yellow when hot, white when cold. PBO is peanut brown, hot, yellow when cold. So you look at another sample question. So this is the 2 compound called X and Y. So they share the same cation. So same cation, then this cation, right? If you heat, right, both will give you a solid which is white, yellow when hot, white when cold. So based on this, we'll know both are oxide. Okay, both are oxide, zinc oxide, because white when yellow when hot, white when cold. Then for this one, the first one, they come out a gas that turn lime water cloudy. So very, very obvious, this is carbon dioxide gas. So this one should be zinc carbonate. Then for this one, it come out a gas that turn the blue luminous paper red, and then green luminous paper rekindle. So should be your NO2 plus O2. So this chemical originally should be nitrate. Then you start to explain the reason. Then after that, they suggest a solution to prepare compound X. So for compound X is zinc carbonate. This is your salt preparation salt. Zinc carbonate is an insoluble salt. So you pair them with soluble salt. So the first chemical needed will be zinc nitrate plus sodium carbonate. And the second question, compare and contrast heating copper 2 oxide and copper 2 carbonate. Copper 2 nitrate. Heat ready, both will come out copper 2 oxide. Compare and contrast means you must give me similarity and differences. So you must tell me what is the similarity, what is the differences. So similarity will be both will produce copper oxide. The differences, one is produce carbon dioxide gas, one produce NO2 gas, brown gas, and oxygen gas. Yeah, and then also the color change. This one will be green color to black. And copper tonality is blue color to black.